Fashion, we got you. Beauty, we got you. Pets, yeah, we got you. Shein, we got you. Shein for all. Shein for all, yeah. Shein for all. Shein for all, yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today is going to be yet another Shein Tryon haul. But before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. Before I get into the haul, I want to quickly let you guys know that there's always a coupon code I'm going to put on the screen and in the description box below to save you guys some percentage if you decide to get anything from Shein. I don't get any commission from it, but I always make sure I demand for a coupon code so that you guys can save some money, because times are hard, so any little at least helps, you know. So Shein is going to have their big huge Black Friday sale. Let me tell you something, just definitely look out for those sales, because you know on a normal day they do sales, but now it's Black Friday, so you can imagine the amount of sale that is going to be happening on their site. So definitely take advantage of it. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly show you guys the items. This time I decided to get some household items as well. This is the first time I'm getting household items from Shein. So what they have, amazing household items that are going to come in handy one way or the other. Let's just get into it. So the first item I'm going to show you guys is this box. So it's a storage box. When I saw it, I was like, I definitely need this thing. I need things like this in my house because I have a lot to store with. Having 4 kids can be crazy sometimes. So I decided to get this box. As you guys can see, it's quite sizable and it has a transparent top so that you know you'll be able to see what you put inside of it in case if you've forgotten. So it's quite sizable. I think I got it for like around £6 or so. It's not even expensive, honestly. So imagine getting like 15% off if you use the code, or you know if they're doing the Black Friday, so imagine getting percentage off. Like you have nothing to lose, you know. So the zip goes round like this, so you guys can see. So you fill it up with stuff. Like this will definitely contain a lot, you know. I have something in mind for this, you know. It's gonna definitely contain a lot, and I'm so glad that I got it. So the next item I got is this I think it's called faucet or so. So it's supposed to go into the sink. Like when you have your sink, you can put it into the sink, and then you have this flexible shower thing, like you know, so when the water is running it's more convenient, and you can, since it's flexible, you can twist it to any angle you want. This is absolutely amazing. I think it's £4. I really think it's £4, and it has 2 directions. Yeah, if you want it to do just run straight water, the middle, use the middle one, then you switch it. Then if you want the water splashing like a shower, then you switch it to the other one. Like this is amazing, and it's universal, so it's supposed to fit any sink. So I intend to put it in my sink in the kitchen. So the next item I got is something I've always wanted so bad. Like when I saw it, I was like, definitely I'm gonna get it, because this is gonna come in handy for us. So since I have a big family, so we are 6 in total. We have 4 kids and my husband. So whenever we put in the toothbrush in the toothbrush thing, it gets like, you know, too much. It looks too much. So I've always wanted to get this. So I decided to get the toothbrush holder. There is 5 holders. You can only hold 5 toothbrushes. Well, it doesn't matter. It's still better. So I decided to get it, and it comes with toothpaste dispenser as well. Let me open it so you guys see. So this is the toothbrush holder. So I think you can open it like this and put it in, and then you close it, then the toothbrushes will be hanging out. I know most of you know it, so I got it from them. So it comes together in pair with the toothpaste holder. So you put the toothpaste at the top. Yes, you put the toothpaste at the top, then that's it. It also comes with the stuff that you use to hang it, so don't forget, this is something to use to put it in the bathroom, somewhere in the bathroom. This is really nice, seriously. So now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the clothes I got from them. So I'll be starting with this two-piece set like so. As you guys can see, it's so beautiful and it's perfect for the weather. We're getting into winter, so I decided to use the opportunity to get all the stuff that I'm gonna need. So this is it. It's a two-piece set. So as you can see, the trouser has like its pocket, which is very essential. They used to not have pockets, but I believe that from the reviews they do listen to customers' feedback and they've been able to improve, and I'm really happy about that. So this top comes with a hood as well, and guess what, it has a pocket, which is so amazing. Like seriously, I absolutely love this two-piece set. I got another one I'm going to show you guys soon. I got in the size large because if you know me, I don't like to wear something I'll wear and be uncomfortable. I'd rather get a bigger size and just let it loose and be comfortable, you know. So I got a size large and I absolutely love it. This definitely is good to pair with like a sneakers and just good to go. So I got another two-piece set. The color is quite like what will I say, dark green kind of, I believe. It's another two-piece set. I also got it in the size large, but this one is really beautiful because they write this New York City on it with white, so you can definitely pair it with the white sneakers and you just look so chic, you know. And it feels so soft and so comfortable, seriously. And this is the trouser, and also it has a pocket as well, like a deep pocket. So the waist is done with this rubber, so it can fit in very nicely. And the length is pretty good, you know. The length is pretty good for a size large. So the next item I'm going to show to you guys is this jeans. When I saw it, they say it's for tall, so that's what attracted me to it. And it's like flare leg, which is something I absolutely really love. So this is the jean, and the color is so beautiful, like you guys can see, and it's high-waisted, which is an added advantage. So this is the jean. It's quite stretchy, you know, and it fits me very well. I've tried it actually to be sure. I got it in a size large and it fits perfectly well. And it's really long. If you're petite, this is definitely not something you should go for. If you're tall, then this is, you know, the perfect jeans for you. I'm 5'9". I keep saying it all the time, but I'm just saying it for reference, you know. So next I'm going to show you this absolutely beautiful jumper. The color, the blue, is so attractive. Like it's really nice, and the knitting is very neat. It's so beautiful. It feels so soft. I got it in a size large. I just love it. It looks simple and classy and chic. You can style it in so many different ways. You can style it up, you can style it down just to feel comfortable, but this jumper is absolutely beautiful. So the next item I'm going to show to you guys is the mom jeans. Every time I get it, I really hardly get the one that fits perfectly well because they don't stretch. So I decided to get this time and get a very big size because I just want to be sure that it's going to fit. So I got an extra large, as you guys can see. But the jean is so beautiful. The color is very nice, very washed, you know, very nice. The material is great quality. It doesn't stretch, like I said. But I know I could do a size large, but I decided to get extra large. And it fits, is the best. Like it's a bit loose on the waist, but it's still better. Like it's better than being too tight, because once it's a little bit too tight, I'm uncomfortable. I can't wear it, you know. So it's really nice. This mom jean can be styled in so many different ways as well. I absolutely love this. It's very beautiful. So the last jeans I got from them is a black jean. There's no way I'll get things from Shein without getting their black jeans. You know, they have so many unlimited black jeans and beautiful ones. I tried to get this one, and it's quite stretchy. I got it in the size let's see, extra large, because 0XL, that's what I got it in, because I just want it to fit me perfectly well. But it fit absolutely well. I could do like size large, not medium, size large, but I just want to be comfortable. You can see they say it's a very skinny jeans, so they said it's skinny jeans, and once I saw that it's skinny jeans, I had to get something way bigger, so I'll be sure it fits very well. It's stretchy but not too stretchy. It's very nice. It's like it's gonna get to me on my ankle, but when the models wear it, it's long for them. I don't know, but when I wear it, it gets to my ankle, which is very nice because I like to show my boots when I wear my boots, so this will definitely be perfect for that. So the next item I'll be showing to you guys is another jumper. I went all out with jumpers this time, and when I saw this jumper on the model, it attracted me. It's so beautiful. The way she styled it, and she wore the hat, and it was so beautiful. Honestly, I absolutely loved it. I decided to get it. I love the mixture of colors, you know, the white, brown and black, and the design on the bottom of the top, like so. You see, it's really nice. I got it in the size large, and I know it's going to fit like the black jean. I intend to wear it with the black jean anyway. It's so beautiful. I absolutely love it. So the next item I'm going to show to you guys is this absolutely amazing jumper. As you guys can see, it is so beautiful. It's so soft and really long. It is very long with a slit on the side, on both sides. It's wine color. You know, wine color is a very beautiful color. It's really nice. It has a turtleneck, which is perfect for the winter weather. When it's really cold, this is definitely something to go for. As you can see, you hardly see through the knitting because it's really tightly knitted, and it's so heavy. It's quite heavy. It's good quality, you know, good quality. I got it in a size large, and it's absolutely beautiful. So the next item I got is this school bag. As you guys can see, it's a brown school bag. Like, I absolutely love the color. When I saw it, the color just attracted me to it. It looks so beautiful, and it has a compartment at the back like this. One compartment. It has the side pockets that you can put maybe your bottled water there, and it also has a compartment in front. Funny enough, you know, right in front here. It also has on the sides, like in front on the sides here, and the strap is adjustable, so you can adjust it. So this bag is really beautiful, very nice. You know, definitely I'm definitely going to wear it one of these days going to school. It's really nice. Next, I'm going to show you the shoes. So we're going to start with this brown shoes, boots right here. As you guys can see, I got it in a size 42 because I have a pretty big foot, and it had a zip at the back. And as you guys can see, this is the design. Like, it's so beautiful, and the color is really lovely, and it fits me very well. I absolutely love the boot. I love it so much that I had to get the black as well. This is the black. Well, the black has this design right here with Shein, which is very beautiful. It's also a zip design. As you guys can see, this boot is absolutely beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. So the last item I'm going to show you is the trainers I got. I'll definitely always get the trainers from them because I love their trainers. They have like a whole lot of options. You can choose different colors and different styles. So definitely I was like, I'm still going to get another trainers, and I got this one. This one looks so beautiful. Let me show you guys. You guys can see it, absolutely beautiful. Like, it's so stylish, so nice. I got it in a size 41. I believe that's the biggest size, so I decided to get it in a 41, and it fits me very well too. And yes guys, that is it with the haul. I absolutely enjoy making a video like this because it's just amazing getting all this beautiful stuff from Shein. Don't forget to let me know which item is your favorite. I really love the jumpers I got, and the two-piece set as well. I love the jeans as well, the mom jeans too, the shoes, the boots. Oh, I really do love everything. Please let me know in the comment section which item do you think is your favorite and which do you think is your least favorite. Don't forget to use the coupon code definitely to get yourself 15% off. And that's what it's gonna be. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for your love and your constant support. I truly appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you. Bye.